In this video, I am going to show you how to check your balance in KuCoin. First thing you need to do is visit the KuCoin website and then log in with your account. In order to check your balance in KuCoin, you can visit the Assets tab on the top navigation bar and view your balance under each individual asset. You can also see your complete balance in one place by clicking on the Wallet tab, which will display a list of your assets with the corresponding balances. For more in-depth view of your assets, you can view the trading history page. And that's how now you can choose how you can use your assets while in trading, or you can withdraw them, convert them, or send them to someone else, or just store them for another operation on KuCoin. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.